Hello, I'm Emma. Everyone is welcome to INEHub to earn money online. We have been helping you make money online for years. We look forward to serving you in the same way for a long time to come.
In this video, you can get a clear understanding of how to use our INEHub trading signals. When notifications are enabled on our website, you can receive our notifications so that you can easily know when we are close to the signal. Go to the menu on our website and select Signals. Then select the signal type you want. I will now show you how to use step signals. This is when the signals you can see at the top start. Don't worry. Once the market reaches that point, you will receive a notification via our website. After that, you can see Take Profit 1, Take Profit 2, Take Profit 3. Take Profit 1 reduces the risk. There is high risk in Take Profit 3. You can choose one of these three according to your preference. Copy the take profit and stop loss you want. Go to MT5 and give the new order you copied. It is possible to change the signal we have provided as per your preference. Earn money using our signals. Visit our INEHub website now. Contact us if there is any problem. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching the video.